Let's talk green. We're at CES, and green is the theme here at the Lumen suite. Tyler, why don't you tell us about your company plans?
I would like to speak a little bit about Lumen's green initiatives. It's really important for us at Lumen to do well and be good citizens of the world environment. And that starts with looking inwards.
Sustainability is one. You'll catch me crying sometimes. I'm so excited that we're actually able to make an impactful difference. We're not going to be able to completely save the world. There's a lot of efforts that need to be done. But what we can do is look at the business and where can we make informed decisions where we can cut out wasteful plastic, unnecessary space that we're paying to put on a container and perhaps ship overseas so your carbon footprint is large.
What we're looking at doing is implementing green initiatives not only within our product lines themselves, but as well looking into your homes, the customers, what that means in terms of energy usage, decreasing carbon emissions, packaging, things along that nature. So what I have laid out here are some high-level points of what we'll be focusing on.
I think it's time to kind of take a look at one of your examples. So let's go over here to what you're doing actually in the field.
Sure, sounds great. So at Lumen, we really analyzed two different experiences. We're looking at a customer and technician experience here. So really dividing the two and catering to each type of user. So for most instances, technicians only require the product itself and really nothing else. This is all they need. They don't require all this excess packaging that you see here. We have all this wasted plastic here, even down to the zip ties that would go on our Ethernet cables and power supplies. This would essentially be part of every install that goes in a customer's house. So you multiply that across the company, you're looking at over 50 tons of cardboard, over 20 tons of plastic wasted in a year. So what we thought of, well, why do technicians require all this? And we listened to technicians in the field, and we were wondering if this would make an impact on them personally, because their experience matters just as much as us doing good for the environment. So we had gone to the drawing board, and we had come up with this concept, which was essentially a glassine bag, which is biodegradable and recyclable. And the form factor fits in here nice and snug. And what you're able to do is you're able to remove the product from this glassine recyclable bag, and this is all that's left over in waste. A technician could simply just crumble this up. They can dispose of this and recycle it in a very easy manner. They don't have all this waste on their vehicle. Once again, something like this reduces about 50 tons of cardboard a year, 20 tons of plastic a year. It's remarkable something this simple can make such a big impact.
I'm sure you've heard Tyler. He's got a lot of wonderful passion that he has spent there and done great work, again, with an ecosystem of partners that we have built. And I'm really excited to see that come to fruition this year, all of the work we did last year, and continue to build on that. And it's an opportunity where I think us as a Broadband Forum collective can also drive our partners and suppliers to go in that direction and get more and more options that we can use for our packaging.